whom the father of inheritance genetical engineering called Georg Mendel. Percentage of water on the earth 71%. What is the percentage of ordinary salt in seawater? 10%. In which chlorine is not commonly used, found in making toxic gases like phosphine. The bacteria called Rhizobium leguminous, which is found in bean, groundnuts, peas, and grams, were located in the root. Boiling point of pure water on the Fahrenheit scale 212. A blood group A, AB, B, and O, which is called the community in the universal donor O. Which gas is the highest element? Hydrogen. Which is most likely to catch fire? Nylon. Where can the necessary phosphorus be found? Milk. Methane gas is formed sodium acetate with soda lime on heating. What is SARC? Viral spreading disease. AIDS does not spread taking and touching. Mushroom comes in fungi and fungus. Who is the largest producer of silk? Country China. When the tide is the highest, when the sun and moon are the same side on earth. If the incident ray creates an angle of 60 degree on a plane mirror, then the angle of reflection will be 60 degree. The velocity of sound depends on medium. The mixture of water and chalk can be separated by vaporization. Lunar eclipse occurs when Earth comes between the moon and the sun. Which gas is released by a green plant in photosynthesis? Oxygen. Abnormal secretion of insulin causes diabetes. Conductor was discovered by Benjamin Franklin. Who discovered the oxygen? J. Priestley. A pressure cooker reduces the time spent in cooking because the boiling point inside the cooker increases. What is numismatic? To see the object located away. Binoculars. When the mercury is kept in a vessel, then it is convex meniscus. Who discovered the rabies vaccine? Louis Pasteur. AIDS expand. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. RDX. An explosive. Death is by the energy developed by the sun. Nuclear fusion. Catalyst in chemical reaction enhance in the rate of reaction. pH value of blood 7.4. King of the acid contains 3 HCl plus 1 HNO. Who is the animal lizard? Death is not a transformed rock. Granite. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is called troposphere. Which gas gets drained into the sodium hydrogen? Which animal is mammals? Blue whale. Which to keep the eyes healthy? Vitamin A. Joule is the unit of work. According to an estimate, the percentage of total iron found in the world is found in India. 20x. Peace. Bronchitis is related to the disease with lungs. The body has the average blood volume 5 to 8 liters. DNA, a type of nucleic acid. A pituitary gland is located in brain. Which part of the human body bone is longest? Femur. In thigh में present होता है. The main yield of the natural rubber region, the Mediterranean region. Death is not in the initial environment of the earth. Oxygen. Death is the highest silk produced in India. Karnataka. In summer, velocity of wind decreases. Temperature is inversely proportional to the wind velocity. Intensity of light is measured in candela. Why do catalysts turn on bands? He bends to maintain the center of mass inside the body. This will save him from falling. Why the climbing man bends forward to increase the position. Radiocarbon determination technique is used to find age of soil. What is the water gas mixture in the troposphere? H plus CO. An atmospheric mass can be expressed in AMU. HIV is related to AIDS. The modern periodic the modern periodic table based on the atomic number. Light color originally depends on the wavelength of light. Dash is the source of energy in the sun. Fusion of hydrogen. Who participate in chemical reaction? The number of electrons in the outer shell to convert one element to another element. A light year, the distance covered by light rays in 1 year. The percentage of oxygen and nitrogen in the Earth atmosphere, 99%. The chemical formula of glucose, C6H12O6. The mirror showing behind the motor vehicle is convex. When pressure of a gas is compressing, then its masses will be increases. BCG against tuberculosis. The SI unit of capacity by the lens diopter. When the rainbow is formed, when sunlight is passes through water vapors. Why is gold as important metal when it is more expensive due to jewelry? Why is gelatin mixed in ice frying to prevent snow from melting? What is the change in the water becomes ice? Physical change. Neem is used in anti-cancer and contraceptive. What is the unit of wavelength meter? Who are the creatures in the vegetation? Who said that? J.C. Basu. What is numismatic test? A study of coins and metals. Who purifies blood? Kidney. Logic of cell division organized centrifuge. What is the force that causes the body to stretch toward the center of the earth? Gravitational force. Swimming in sea water is easily than in river. The density of sea water is more than ordinary water. Who had the discovered rheumatic disease? John Dalton.